the national anthem.
Your Excellency, thank you, Excellency.
Dr. Dagogo, your duty is to represent the state in the most respectful way, bearing in mind that what is important to this administration now is to succeed. What is important to this administration is to see that the good works that we started, the ones that we met, we must conclude them in a way that will bring progress and development to our dear state. For the Chief of Staff of Government House, you're working under me. This position, you're my personal aide. It's not a position that, as you're living here now, you start holding meetings, calling people without my permission. Let me sound it here very clear. Your activity is to make sure that administratively, image making, liaising with whoever is coming for every official assignment here is handled perfectly well. If you involve yourself in nocturnal meeting and all those things, I will sack you.